Welcome to Advanced ETL Processor online tutorial. This video demonstrates how to use loop action to generate multiple reports. It is relevant to both Advanced ETL Processor and Visual Importer ETL. Here is our source table. Our objective is to generate separate PDF for every record. Let us start by adding loop action. We have just 3 records in our table. 1, 2 and 3. Since they are sequential, we can just use from to option. From is 1 and 2 is 3. We're going to use loop value to generate the file name. And use it as a parameter as well. And basically, that is it. Here are our files. They do hold correct data. It is also possible to enter values for loop manually. List of lookup values can be loaded from a file, SQL script or lookup. Let us create a new lookup. We just need one field for it to work. Here is the data. Back to the loop. Selecting lookup. Running the package. Everything has worked as expected. Thank you for your time.